Hi Infusions! Let's see how we can construct different character builds using the VA method. On page 7 of our workbook, we covered the VA method for constructing male and female bodies. But did you know that this method can also be used to create a range of different body types, like muscular, skinny, curvy, or slim? This is done by changing the angle of the V and A guidelines. Let's look at the V shape for male bodies first. For an average male body, the width of the body should be no smaller than the width of the head. When the angle of the V increases, the shoulders become wide and the chest volume becomes bigger. This results in a muscular body shape. When the angle of the V decreases, the shoulder joints come together and may move up slightly. The chest volume is small. This results in a skinny body shape. Don't forget that the arms and legs should also match the body type you choose for your character. That means thicker arms and legs for muscular characters and thin arms and legs for skinny characters. You can further refine the build of your characters when adding details to them.